everybody. Lately I've been getting asked on some questions as far as what did I use, certain things with my Nova, and I regret that I didn't make videos while I was actually working on the Nova. Originally the videos were just to show to my family, but then it became a series of videos of completed items and not really step by step. I mostly posted all this information on the forum, so that's the majority of the details, and the videos were just backup details. Lately I've been getting more and more questions on the videos rather than on the forums, so I'm going to attempt to answer some of those questions with some video footage. So if you have any questions on maybe techniques I used when I was working on the Nova, I can do my best to show you. I regret that I didn't do it earlier, but I'm going to try to do it now. As you know, when I took on this project, the Nova, it was actually a dream project, and I basically dived in with both feet. I have never worked on a car where it was in the format of restoring. I never did any body work. I never did any painting on the car. I've painted many parts for many years, but it was mostly anything that has to do with the engine, not really anything that has to do with outside. So I did a lot of painting of engine parts, and I've been doing that for, I don't know, 10 years. So my experience with painting is with just spray cans. You get those little adapters, put it on the spray can, and then you just spray. So I never worked on a car as far as spraying with an HVLP gun. The majority of the techniques that I am using, I either made it up as I went along, or I got it from watching others on YouTube, maybe on the forums, doing some research on the internet, Google searching, blah blah blah, and that's how I learned most of my techniques. I'm gonna, attempt to pass that on, since I'm a tinker. I am a do-it-yourselfer. I don't have all these expensive tools and things. Some of my methods are just basic, really basic, but I firmly believe that there's 101 ways to do just one thing. You can do any one thing, and there could be 10 people, and 10 people have 10 different ways of doing it. My thing is, as long as the end result is what you're looking for, and that it's quality, then it will work. So that's basically it. So I'm going to try to show you some of the things that I used, and I hope that my methods will help someone out there. There's a lot of people that give a lot of advice, and I just want to be part of that, as far as showing how I did it, because I really am passionate about working on cars and other things. If you've seen the other videos, I have other hobbies, but cars is my #1 hobby. It's always been a hobby for me. I've been basically a street mechanic since I was 13, and so it's just big passion. So working on this Nova, branching out to body work, metal work, painting, that's a big deal for me. So I'm pretty proud of myself for getting this far. So I hope the things that I show will help someone out.